Let Garmin show you how to install the constant power cable for your Garmin Dash Cam. The constant power cable will connect to any 12-volt OBD-II port to provide always-on power or power for a specific length of time. This allows your Garmin Dash Cam to record video while the vehicle is off. For this process, you will need your constant power cable, reclosable fastener, Garmin Dash Cam, and the Garmin Dash Cam power cable. When installing the device in a vehicle, you must install the device securely so it does not interfere with the vehicle operating controls, such as the foot pedals or the driver's feet. Interference with the vehicle operating controls or feet can result in an accident, which could result in injury or death. Defer to your vehicle's warranty provisions and owner's instructions for guidance on whether any OBD-II connector product might void or alter your vehicle's warranty. Garmin is not responsible for any costs or expenses associated with vehicle repairs or voided warranties. If you notice any change in engine performance after connecting the device, disconnect the device immediately and contact Garmin product support. Do not use the device if it affects engine performance or acceleration in your particular make and model of vehicle. To begin, set the time switch on the constant power cable. The time switch sets the length of time the device continues to supply power after you exit the vehicle. The device re-enables power when it detects physical motion, or when you re-enter the vehicle. You can choose between 10 minutes, 24 hours, and always on. Select the 10-minute option if you want the Garmin Dash Cam to remain off until you re-enter the vehicle. Select the 24-hour or always-on option if you want the Garmin Dash Cam to operate continuously while the vehicle is parked. The constant power cable automatically turns off if your vehicle battery goes below 12 volts. Next, connect the constant power cable to the OBD-II port in your vehicle. The OBD-II port is commonly located under the dashboard on your driver's side of the vehicle. The OBD-II port location and availability may vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. See your vehicle owner's manual for more information. Remove the protective film from one reclosable fastener and press the reclosable fastener firmly onto the USB port on the end of the constant power cable for 10 seconds. Clean the vehicle mounting surface using water or alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Allow the surface to dry completely. Then, remove the protective film from the second reclosable fastener and press it firmly onto the vehicle's mounting surface for 10 seconds. Press the reclosable fastener on the constant power cable against the reclosable fastener on the mounting surface to secure the constant power cable to the mounting location. Lastly, connect the Garmin Dash Cam power cable into the USB port on the constant power cable. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.